So please excuse how I look. But I promised myself, I was like, you know what? I did say that I was going to take everybody on the journey with me through building my clothing line. So that's what we're going to do. You guys are going to come with me on the days when I look crazy, on the days where my iron is super low. Like today, my iron is super low and I look crazy. I feel super weak. I made my green smoothie with my protein in it. We're going to do a lot today, but I'm gonna keep my word, okay? So, if you're not aware, my name is Dana. I am starting or started a clothing line for women coming out of depression, anxiety, and suicide, right? If you're not aware, when you're a woman and you're going through these things on top of having your period, it's a lot, right? But you still have the drive or an ounce of faith left to get up in the mornings, but then you have to figure out what to wear, what to put together with what to wear. It's a lot. So I decided to design a clothing line for women that struggle with their mental health, where I'm putting outfits together for you. However, I'm only specializing in dresses, sneakers, and jackets and blazers. So only 3 things. I ain't doing nothing else. It's too much, okay? So I got a couple of samples that I had ordered, and then I made, I want to say revamped one sneaker, right? I'm going to show you guys sneakers. The one thing about me, if it's not perfect, I'm still going to push through with it, but like I'm not in love with any of the things that I got. So far I got 5 samples. They're all on the website. If you want to buy it, you can go ahead and you can buy it, but I'm not in love with it yet. So I'm looking for my one that I'm in love with, okay? So I'm going to show y'all these sneakers. Hold on. This is the first one. Sorry, I have music in my ears, so I'm like, damn. Okay, this is the first one, right? From my label, my clothing line. I look a hot mess. Crazy. But look, this is what it looks like, right? I'm not in love with it, and I don't know why. But it is a good sneaker, like good to work out with. I didn't put it out because I'm not in love with it. But y'all let me know. I don't know. So this is one side of the shoe. This is the same shoe, right? This is one side of the shoe. This is the other side. The other side is just like a plain green background, and I don't know. Not in love with it. Right? Let me show y'all the other one. This is the other one. Now this I love, right? But I don't know. I feel like something is missing from it. So this is how it is. Right? Actually, maybe I do love this one. And this is the second part of it. Right? I don't know if y'all can see. This is the second part of it. Again. Matter of fact, I think I do love this one. I don't know. I might release this one. I don't know. You know what it is too? It's me being in my own head about, is this better than Nike? Would this be better than Nike? That's what's going on through my head. But this is the other sample that I got. I did try it on. Oh, this is why I wasn't in love with it. I tried it on. My normal size is size 10, right? But I tried it on and I was like, yo, this is small for a size 10. So now if I was to sell this, I would have to tell everybody, hey, order one size bigger. And I hate doing that with shoes because now it just seems like the brand is just not authentic. Like, you know what I mean? So I love these, but the issue is the sizing. And then with this, I don't know, I'm not in love with it. with the printing up here, like up here, the peacock feather. I don't know, y'all. I don't know. So I'm gonna show y'all the other one. I do have the other samples, but the other samples are in my car. So I'm only gonna do these three. Let me show you the third one. Hold on. This is the third one, right? I wore it. Let me tell you the story behind this. So I saw this and I was like, yo, I'm gonna revamp it, which is what I was telling y'all before. So I revamped it, right? It didn't come with the laces, it didn't come with the charm, but I was like, I'm gonna revamp it, switch it up, da 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 da. And then I was like, once I got it, I was like, damn, this is another secret I'm gonna have to tell people to order. Not one size up, but 2 sizes up, just so that, you know, the toe doesn't like show like around here. So I was like, dang, bro. So that was my reason as to why I didn't love this as well. However, I do love the charms. I love the laces. So I put it on sale. You can work out in these. You can do a whole lot in these. They're super comfortable. And just that you have to order 2 sizes bigger. And that's what I didn't want from my brand. But I said, you know what? What might not be 100% for me might be 100% for somebody else. So I was like, I'm just gonna put it up. Whoever buy. Whoever don't buy, all out. But yeah, this was my revamp. So yeah, y'all. So let me know what y'all think in the comments. This is on the website. The other 2 are not on the website, but I might.
The roses so high you can't see me, I'm seated. She wanna beat me, I'm trying to do Fiji. I live on the island alone. I'm trying to be one with my aura before I allow your soul.
Y'all let me know. Alright, y'all, I gotta go because I gotta go pick up the clothing from the seamstress that I normally go to go like put labels and stuff on the clothing for my customers. I love y'all. So I'm sure about the clothing. I'm just not sure about this suit. Nothing is catching my eye to the point where it's perfect. Where I can say, order your natural size, and I'm in love with it. When you see me say that about a sneaker, y'all better run and go get it because I'm gonna promote that thing like, girl. Okay. Oh, one more thing. This sneaker on the right foot, I have my company's logo on the back of it. It was just an idea. I'm still learning. So, but anyway, y'all, thank you for watching. I love you guys so much.